Say hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is possession day, so we're heading over to the new house to get the keys from the site manager. So today is officially possession day. So once I get the keys and I'm able to show you guys inside the house, do a full house tour, I will let you guys see what's happening on the inside. But yeah, it's a pretty exciting day and I'm so excited to get the keys to our new home. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next clip. Hi guys, so now I am in the house and I want to give you guys a empty house tour. So we're starting off here at the front doors, and then as you come into the front door you're gonna go over to the office. So I'm gonna turn it around so that you guys can see what's going on. So the office is to my left, so I'm gonna show you the main floor and what's there. So this is the office, you guys. So as you come into the front door, this is the office. And then from there we go down to the half bath. And then we have some coat closets here at the front as well. And then from there, we have our stairwell going upstairs. And then you have the main living room area. So it's a living and dining room open concept. So we have our great room here. Chandelier. And our granite countertops. We have our granite countertops. This was an upgrade. So we got granite. And we have this cute black backsplash here with the veining, gray veining going through, the hooded fan, which this was also an upgrade, the hooded fan to the glass. That was also an upgrade. So yeah, and then we have our extra wide kitchen sink. So this is a very deep kitchen sink. I love it. With our faucet. And then we have our dishwasher. Stainless steel fridge. And microwave. And oh yeah, we have a cooktop, a glass cooktop stove, digital, which is awesome. And then over here we have the mud room. So that takes you to the back, the garage, and then you come into this area, you have the mud room. It also has another closet here. It's just a mat I put down there for the time being. And then over here we have our pantry. So it's a walk-in pantry. Really big. Look at the detailing on the door as well, you guys. The detailing on the door is amazing. This also was an upgrade to get it in the French door style. And then from there, we're gonna go, and this is the basement, but I'm gonna go upstairs first and then come back and show you guys the basement. So going up to the bedroom area. And as you come upstairs, you have a bonus room here. We call it a bonus room. So that's right there. And the window also was an upgrade because I love natural light. So I wanted lots of natural light in. So this is a bonus room. Bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. So these are my son's bedroom. Bedroom number 1. Closet. Then we head back out to the bonus room, bedroom number 2. This is my other son's bedroom right here. And he has a double door closet. So I'm gonna have to make this really quick, you guys, because the washer and dryer are coming. And then here we have a linen closet. So we have a linen closet here. And then here in between these double doors, we have our washer or laundry room. So this is our laundry room. And then from there, we're gonna head down this little hallway here. And this is gonna be my son's bathroom, both of them. They're gonna share this bathroom. And this turns on the airflow in the house. It's on an eco setting. And then here is the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. And our bathroom, master bath. And then our walk-in closet. Got some stuff in there. And then we're gonna head downstairs to the basement, you guys. Let me turn these lights off. So we're gonna be heading downstairs to the basement, which is another living area. So this is all our digital setup for the home. All of that there. And then we're gonna head downstairs. So basement, heading down. This is the full bath in the basement. So this is the full bath that's in our basement. And we have 2 bedrooms down here. So we have this entertainment area in the basement, and we have bedroom number 1 over there, and then we have bedroom number 2 over here. So this is gonna be our guest room. So this is gonna be our guest room. So when our guests come over, this is where they'll stay. So yeah, and we have a closet here. Double door closets. And then you go over to the other side. Here we have a storage room. It's just a storage area. And then over here, it's the furnace room. Just furnace and stuff. Nothing exciting there. And then bedroom number 2 is over on this side. Let me turn the light on for you guys. Bedroom number 2 downstairs. Get some light in. So this is bedroom number 2. This is the biggest bedroom next to the master bedroom in size. This is a really, really big room, you guys. Double door closets. This is gonna be my daughter's room. So yeah, double door closet, really big closet, really nice size room. Yes, so this is it, you guys. So this is it. So this is it, you guys, for our house tour. So our empty house tour, I should say. So as I go along with decorating and choosing, you know, pieces and doing home decor stuff, I'll keep you guys up to date as to, you know, the progress of what's happening with the home. So stay tuned to my channel. I'm heading back upstairs. So stay tuned to my channel, as I said, and you know, I will be doing more home decor stuff, more clean with me videos. Oh, the light in here is, yeah, more clean with me videos and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned for that.